Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to working on instructors. So in instructors here file is given in the video description. You can download from this link. So copy the code carefully till updation. So you can copy the code, update code, above the update code, and paste it here and save it. And update instructors, copy the code till the end of the file. Also the procedure is 100% same, just the variable names or the columns names are different because the instructor and the admin both are same, almost same. So instructors and the update instructor file is here. So go to the instructors and instructors section. You can fill the name, email, profile picture, which is almost similar to the admin. So here is the password and admin type, but in instructors we have some extra features like qualification and phone description. So here you can view the description of the instructor, watch code from video. So I will explain it later, but here is the you can add it or you can delete the instructor similarly. So the idea is that you can add the name, email. This is invalid email, so don't use it. You can add picture, qualification like GSCS font 011. You can and the description is DC. Click on submit button. The record is submitted. Oh, please enter valid phone number. So for phone number, here is some guidelines for phone number. You can watch. The phone number should be according to like this, if I'm not wrong. Instructor name is like profile picture is here. You can add fill ABC. The valid pattern for phone number, you can change this pattern according to your country. This is a pattern for Pakistan. You can change this pattern according to India or Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, or USA, and like any country where you live. So you can change this pattern. So by using simply 3 to 4 first digit and then hash, then 7 digit. You can add here after hash I want 9 digit, I want 7 digit, or you can remove this check by simply removing this condition, these two lines, and after these else part lines. So you can remove these lines by use if you don't want to add the pattern condition. But if you want any pattern like 3 to 4 first number and then hash, and after hash D stands for digits, and after hash 7 digits, and before hash 3 to 4 digits, so you can add. So here the record is added. You can update the record similarly by using update method, and all the record is here. So you can simply submit the record. But I want to repeat here some important facts about updation. The updation is that if user don't want to change picture, so you can send old picture by using hidden input. The picture is here, the pic value, the old picture name. So if user don't want to upload the picture, don't want to change the picture, just want to change the name. So if user just want to change the name, so in this condition he or she no need to click on this button to upload the photo. So in this condition the old value will be stored in the database. So the old value is given by this input field, hidden input field, because in this field, like here in this field which is not set, which is null, if this field is null, then check the value in hidden input and consider the old picture name which is stored in already in database. So this is all about instructor. You can watch the description of the instructor here, the description or about the instructor, by clicking view button. So this idea is that if the text is so long, like one paragraph or two paragraphs, so you cannot adjust in this small column or small cell. So you cannot manage the one or two, three paragraphs, one paragraph, at least 3 lines. So you cannot handle this the text here. So the idea is that whenever you click on this button, go to the view.php and instructor id is equal to 1. So you can watch the content or the description in this page, but we will cover it in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. See you in next lecture.